Congratulations, you're officially pre-approved and ready to begin submitting offers. Now I want to take a moment and explain why this stage matters so much. At the Jason C. Scott team, we don't believe in weak pre-qualifications or generic automated approvals. Your file has already gone through a detailed review process, including manual underwriting review and conditional approval. That puts you in a significantly stronger position when it comes time to compete for a home. To sellers, that means confidence. To your family, that means preparation. And to our team, well, it means we're ready to move quickly when the opportunity shows up. Over the next stage of the process, your realtor may request updated pre-approval letters, loan summaries, or payment scenarios for specific properties. That's completely normal, and we encourage you to lean on us throughout the process. But right now, here's one of the most important things we need you to remember. Do not make major financial changes without speaking with us first. No new debt, no large purchases, no major movement of money between accounts. Your loan is already positioned for approval. Now our job is simply to protect that position all the way to closing day. We know this process can feel repetitive and emotional at times, but you are not walking through it alone. Our team is here to help guide you every step of the way. And when you're ready to submit an offer, we've got your six and are ready to execute.